Hello guys, welcome to our online class. It's your favorite tutor, Mr. Kingsley. On the board, we have a question on decimal numbers. It says 1.44 times 9.6 divided by 0.36. Now, how are we going to solve this question? Well, let's repeat the question. 1.44 times 9.6 divided by 0.36. Now, to solve this question, we'll have to change these numbers to whole numbers. Now, how do we do this? If you look at the numerator, we have more decimal places at the numerator than the denominator. The first number is having 2 decimal places, that is 4, 2 numbers. The second number, 9.6, has 1 decimal place, that is 6. Remember, decimal places refer to the numbers that appear after a decimal point. 1, 2, 1, 3 decimal places. Now, the denominator has 2 decimal places, 2 numbers after a decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 6. Alright, so what we are going to do is to change these to whole numbers, starting with the one that has more decimal places, that is the numerator. So we go 1, 2. This becomes 144 times 3, that is 1, 2, 3. Do you understand? This becomes 96 all over. Now we moved 3 times up to change to whole numbers. We are going to move 3 times down, the same thing. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. We put a 0 here, that gives us 360. Do you understand? All right, so with this we can now divide easily. Okay, now let's use a factor of 6. You can decide to use 2 or 3, but let's just use 6 to make us divide this faster. Okay, so 6 in 360, we say 6 in 36, 6, 6 in 0, 0. Now let's come here. We are going to divide here by 6. 6 in 9, 1 remainder 3, and 6 in 36, 6. All right, we will have to use 6 again. Okay, now 6 in 60, that gives us 10, and 6 in 144, we say 6 in 14 first, that gives us 2 remainder 2, and then 6 in 24, that gives us 4. So we are having 24 times 16 over 10. All right, so let's come here and say 24 times 16. Okay, now 6 times 4 is what? 24. 24. 6 times 2 is 12, plus the 2 that was carried, that gives us what? 14. So that's 144. Let's try this out. 1 times 4, we put 4 here. 1 times 2, we put 2 here. We plus it, and that gives us 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 1 plus 2, 3. So this is giving us 384 over 10. Now, with this, with the denominator being 10, it's very easy to change to a decimal, because actually they want us to leave our answer as a decimal number. Okay, so we cancel this one here. There's a decimal at the back of every whole number. So as we have struck this 0, we are going to move the decimal point once and put it here, once to the left. Had it been we struck 2 zeros, we would have moved 1, 2. We move according to the number of zeros we have struck. That's, we are dividing actually. Do you understand? So your answer becomes 38.4. And that is our final answer. I hope you understand this. Please feel free to subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you very much.